Hey, how's everybody doing out there? Good. Today I wanted to share with you the Distrokid review of the newest feature that they have called Hyperfollow. I just downloaded it today, even though it's been out for the last couple of days. I haven't had a chance to get to it. But this new feature works so well. Oh man, people. For the people who have Distrokid, you are already ahead of the game. Make sure you download this feature and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. When you sign into your Distrokid account, click on the settings button, the little button in the right hand corner. And when you click on that button, scroll all the way down and you'll see a little green logo on the side that says Hyperfollow. And when you click on that, if you already have a Distrokid account, it automatically provides you with your own personal link. And whatever social media you have linked to that, it helps you. It provides you all the links to your Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. This feature, it works so well. I've already used it and I've already got followers on Spotify and from Facebook. I haven't even promoted it all the way. Sorry for the notification. But yeah, this feature, it works so well. And it provides you with all of your fans, the location, and what music they listen to. Soon as they add you and they click on your personalized link from Hyperfollow, it automatically they follow you and they get a chance to save you to their playlist automatically, and you don't have to do anything. So if you don't have this feature, please go download it because it's another way to get more plays on Spotify. Connect it to all your social media accounts. I have my Instagram connected to it. I have my Twitter, my Facebook, and just those 3 platforms right there is going to help me get plenty of followers. I first started my Spotify account. I only had 0 followers when I first started it. But now I'm at 700, and it goes up every time I check it. So please go out there, download this new feature, and I'm excited to keep uploading new information to show you my progress. I'm gonna provide the link in the bottom to my personal Spotify link, so you can add me and I can add you back. All right, thanks.